So hi guys, here I have my conch. I already washed it. This conch was purchased in the seafood store. I'm just gonna use some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to season my conch. This is to give it a nice flavor. I put a little bit more seasoning. So that's that. Now I have my conch in. I need to put some garlic powder in. A little black pepper, not much. Just yes, guys. So far, so good. Alright, so pause that for a moment, and I'm gonna get these veggies cut up tiny. I'm gonna start with my onion. Guys, I don't have any stand to hold the phone, so bear with me. I'm gonna show my just cut up some onion. Half of an onion I'm cutting up inside here. I have some tomatoes too that I want to use. The other thing that I will be missing on is the only thing that I won't have is the sweet pepper. Everything will be cut in my fritters, guys. So currently I'm cutting up some tomatoes, as I'll show you. Don't worry. Cutting up the tomatoes tiny. Yeah. Alright, so time to show you guys what I just did. So guys, I cut up my onion and my tomatoes. I cut half of the onion this size, and I cut 2 small tomatoes in. I'm just mixing it up now to make everything combine nicely. So now I'll be cutting some peppers. Now I'll be cutting some peppers in a little piece of it because I don't want it too hot. Don't want it too hot. So I'm gonna take a small piece of pepper and then cut it up very fine. Very, very fine. Alright, so there you go. Cut up a small Scotch bonnet. Just a small piece, very fine. I'm mixing that up. Alright. I have some scallion here that I already cut. I'm gonna take like a small portion and sprinkle in only the green oil I use. So this is the amount. I'm gonna just, I store my scallion in the freezer, guys. This is how I store them. Cut them up and put them in the freezer. They're already washed and everything. So that's that. I'm gonna put a piece of parsley. Not a lot, just a little piece of parsley. Parsley, and I'm just gonna cut it up small. Very small and tiny. Small as, and then I'm dabbing it in. Yeah. So far I'm looking good. Everything is marinating nicely. So next, guys, I want to add the flour in. I'm gonna add the flour. I'm not using a lot of flour. Alright, so using some flour, about 2 cups. Some flour using. So this is like 1 cup. And then here we have another cup. And then I'm gonna just take your time to just dissolve everything. Everything go through and through the flour before we add the water. This is my first time making the conch fritters. I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna try to put a lot at first. I'll put a small amount. And then we're gonna add some more water. And yeah, this looks like it. I'm just mix it up much better. Make everything mixed out nicely. we want to give it a little nice color when it's ready to fry. So what I'm going to do is add a bit of paprika powder. Let me see if I have any. Oh, paprika powder. Or if you don't, you could use the annatto. But I have the paprika, so just add a bit in my, just to give it some color. And we're just gonna just mix up that in. Color and flavor. So this is what the texture of your fritters should look like. When making a fritters, this is what your texture normally looks like, guys. So it's time now to fry my conch fritters. Guys, I'll end the live and come back. Let me end the live and come back, set up everything and then come back and see what